And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, first of all, what you have to understand how the price of crude has moved in these years. Okay, I'm not talking about this part because this part I will explain you in a monthly video, because it will be a long video if I explain you this. See, first the price was very volatile. After that it was moving in this particular zone, and after making this negative trend it is continuously upside. Have not seen this particular level, say, since years. We have not seen that the price of crude has come to negative, but in the pandemic it has come. After that there is a continuous upside. It has already made a high of around $129.87, but the actual high, you can say all time high, is around 149. Okay, and 147.53, you can say it is above $145. 2008 that the price of crude has come, okay, at this particular level, has touched this all time high. But now what we have seen that the price of crude is moving at around $76.72, and I have already explained you that few of the support that is supporting the price of crude, that is $77, a level of $65, and now a resistance of around $85. These are the some of the prices where the price of crude act as a support as well as resistance. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, it is trying to go upside, but it is moving in a particular range. This is the range. It is trying to form a narrow range. Before we move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Look at this particular chart. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, chances are high if this sustain. But as of now, we have seen the full week, we have seen a red candle is forming. So chances are high that it can move further down. But suppose if this level sustain, then I will explain you that it can go towards its next resistance of around $77.42, and once it sustain above 77.42, chances are high yes, it can cross a level of around $80.35 and can cross a level of around 81.95. 80.35 is a weak resistance, 81.95 is also weak resistance. Chances are high it can cross a level of both these and can go and cross a level of around $82.22 and then further upside, and this is the high of this particular zone. So you have to understand here, it can touch a level of 83 once it sustain above a level of around what is currently trading at around 77.9. if it sustain this level, chances of touching 83 is on a higher side. Okay, as soon as it breaks this particular zone. Now if this sustain above 88, then 83, then chances of touching 86.49 is there, and if that level also sustain, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of around $89.70. This $89.70 is a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross this particular zone and it can touch a level of around $93.43 and then further upside if the price sustain this level. Okay, and if the price move up this level, chances are very high that we can see a trend will break. Probability of going towards a level of around $97.71 is there, and from there we can see a level of $101.1. after touching a level of 97, chances of touching $101 is there, and then we can see it can move further upside. Okay, but market is very volatile for crude and other commodities also. Okay, so what you can see, suppose if this level didn't sustain, chances are high, because you cannot say that the market will move or the price of crude move in one direction like this, a sharp upside or downfall, but it is very volatile as of now. So when the market is volatile, always try to understand you can reduce your quantity to half, increase your SL and target by twice, so that it should not hit your SL before hitting your target. Probability should be like that. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, so chances are high yes, it cannot sustain, and chances are high we can see a level of $75.55. if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can go further low towards a level of around $73.94. okay, suppose if the price fall below that particular zone, it can cross a level of around $72.84, which is a weak support. So chances are high that we can see it can cross a level of around $72, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $69.94. okay, and once it move below the $69.94, it can go further low, and a probability of touching 67.80 is there. And I have already explained you that once the price fall below $68, so chances will be very high it can fall further low towards a level of around you can say $66.74, and then further if the price didn't sustain, if the price fall below 68, then I'll make another video explaining you where it can move. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Now understand something, why most of the traders lose money. Okay, why they lose money? Because they try to make money double triple in one day, or get maximum profit when the volatility is not there, or when you are not trading psychologically. Okay, so what I teach in my workshop, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, some might be trading with 100k, some might be trading with 5k something. So try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, 1000 to 1500, and take per trade with the risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. If you took 5 trades also, take a risk, max it will be $500. Okay, once you lose all 5 trades, maximum loss you can do is $500, nothing, then trade the next day, you will be more relaxed. But if you lose 5,000, you will try to recover it on the same day, and then you lose your full capital. People do this, so I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that, and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.